Stop. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Relax.
No, don't touch it. Leave it where it is. I just need somebody with eyes on it.
Look.
Don't touch that. So
Stop, okay?
back away.
Stop what you're doing, okay? Stop.
February 18th, 2023, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. A 20-year-old woman drove westbound in the eastbound lanes of US 98, deliberately targeting oncoming traffic before executing a head-on collision with an elderly victim. This analysis addresses the legal framework, from charge classification and detention authority through the court's insanity determination in 2024. 2 charges were filed: aggravated battery with a deadly weapon under Florida Statute section 784.045, and resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute section 843.02. The more consequential legal question, whether the subject could be held criminally responsible at all, was not resolved until November 15th, 2024. Everything between the arrest and that ruling is a study in how the criminal and psychiatric frameworks interact.
Your off-duty deputy has a combative suspect over there.
Where they at?
Right over here.
You all right, one. Wait. What's she doing? Who is she?
She's the driver, wrong way, on purpose.
Okay, all right. Ma'am, look, sit there, okay? We'll go put her in the car. Get her.
That's her stuff she dropped.
What?
Right there, that phone and something else in that container. She's gonna be combative more than likely.
All right, we'll put her in the wrap if she gets
Man,
Stop.
don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Relax.
No, don't touch it. Leave it where it is. I just need somebody with eyes on
Hey,
it.
look.
Don't touch that. So
Stop, okay?
back away.
Stop what you're doing, okay? Stop. Walk on your own 2 feet. Stop.
What's your name?
Lorraine?
Hey, can you issue a trauma alert?
Yes. No.
I've already called it.
I already told
they're
the 911, the dispatch that we need she's having.
Do you guys, what's the nearest trauma facility?
Most likely Fort Walton Beach.
So this is the only one? Only one?
Well, there is ER in Navarre.
God.
Walk.
You can walk or you can be walked.
Hey, Rad, if you need to throw her in my back seat, you can.
Can someone go grab? She dropped a bunch of stuff over there. Can somebody
We'll put it
grab
back
it?
to
We'll
your
show you
car.
where it is.
I like your door. Hold on. Wait, stop. You need medical treatment? Yes or no?
She says earlier she don't care if she almost killed somebody. It's their bad. Go 9 yards. She's not acting like she needs medical treatment. We going here or yours?
We'll go with that one.
All right, we got to drag you. We'll drag you.
Hey, man, my fingerprints are on those as well. I tried to pick them up. I didn't know.
Okay, you're good.
So.
I think that was it.
Okay.
Through her phone when I got her out of her car. She came, stood right here, and then threw down whatever that vial is, and then threw her AirPods down.
Did you seen what happened?
Yeah, I had to swerve her ass.
Okay.
She hit the car right. I mean, me in that car. I was in that black Nissan. She was right. I mean, we were right next to each other. She was coming square for. I mean, she was swerving into whoever she could hit.
Okay.
And so when I swerved, it just barely caught this lady.
Okay.
And I mean, when I pulled her out of the car, I was like, "What are you doing?" She said, "I don't care anymore. I don't want to live anymore. I don't care anymore."
Okay. So you guys were traveling
This way. She was coming down our lanes. I mean.
Okay, so she was
swerving
traveling
any car.
that way
Yeah.
in this lane.
Yeah.
Okay.
Swerving to anybody she could hit.
Okay.
And then when I pulled out of the car, that's what she said. She said, "I don't care anymore. I don't want to live. I don't care."
Okay. And this is our car?
This silver one, yes, with the no hubcaps on right here. This one right here.
Okay.
Right in front of you.
Okay. Thank you. If you could just stand by for a little bit.
Be en route with the rap. This could be an intentional act, and suspect is combative. Hey, just put it on.
Okay.
We'll just let her sit right there.
All right. I got her if you want to go handle business.
Huh?
I got her if you want to go handle business.
Yeah. Just hang on for it. All right.
Did you see what happened, ma'am?
I did not. I'm a nurse, and I heard it. I was a couple car lengths back. I didn't see anything, so I just jumped out of my truck and to offer aid, but there was already a nurse on her.
If you just find the witnesses and
Yes, I found one. He saw everything pretty much. He pulled her out of the car too.
Okay.
And that's when she started making statements of, I don't want to live anymore.
okay,
Or I want to kill myself.
okay, all right.
I know that couple that's right up here in this SUV,
Okay.
off to the right,
Okay.
they had to swerve to miss her.
Okay, all right. Negative, sir. Just go be intentional.
Firefighters and EMTs work on stabilizing the elderly woman who took the full force of the girl's car.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, is it y'all's?
They didn't. She didn't hit nobody in the city.
Oh, okay, all right.
She didn't hit nobody until she got here.
Gillespie, okay?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Listen, I didn't know who you were. I thought you were someone
No,
to clip snap. Okay, no, I'll stop.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, it's all good. That car almost hit me. I go, I know they're going to hit somebody. Dude, my sister was in that little Tacoma, and I thought she was going to get it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
my sister from
Okay, all right. I appreciate you stopping, man.
Yeah, man.
She's trying to scratch me as well now, so be careful. All right, their
All
hands.
right, listen. How old are you? How old are you? Huh? Can you tell me how old you are?
No idea. Well, she's a driver intentionally.
Hey, stop. Will you stop?
Oh yeah.
Stop. Who do you want touching you?
Any of you guys?
Okay, well, we're going to touch you, okay? So tell me what's going on.
Can you get me off of the floor?
Okay, can you act like a human being?
I am.
Okay, and stop acting like an animal and dropping your weight on us?
Can you take the cuffs off?
No, that is not happening. That is not happening.
Or can I sit up so I'm not on the floor?
Okay, are you going to act right?
Yeah.
You work with us, we'll work with you. We're gonna lift you, all right? There you go.
Come here.
We'll
I'm
let you sit down in the car.
not. Stop dragging your feet.
not.
Yes, you are. Stop. Sit here.
All the way inside?
Yes, all the way inside.
Can you take these off?
No. What's your name?
Hey, I'm gonna write down.
Okay, all right.
there, check.
Okay. What's your name? Okay. You can be booked into the county jail as Jane Doe, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hey, Deja, come here. Get back out. Because you got to get searched. Search her, please. Stop.
I don't like these.
Sorry.
Turn around. You have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble?
Spread your legs for me. Okay, stop.
You know about how fast I'm going.
How fast were you going? Approximately. How fast you think you were going when you hit that car?
Where's her car?
Her car is a silver Nissan Sentra right there with the...
Stop.
All right, have a seat. Kick your shoes off, please. Put your foot back in there. What is your name, ma'am? What's your name? Oh, you're not gonna give me your name? That's just making this process longer, okay? Tell me what's going on today. Why are you so upset? Can you tell me what happened to make you so upset?
Ma'am, I've got the husband on the phone of this lady right here. He's at the very beginning of the bridge right there. So he's very close. Is there a way to get him down here possibly? Or
I won't be able to do that right now, but if he's able to come around.
Sir, as soon as it clears, can he get to the is there a way to cut around?
I was videotaped this gentleman when he put her under arrest initially. He's off duty. I have him on video. He asked me to record him taking her down because she was being combative.
The off-duty deputy details what he saw in real time driving next to the girl.
Oh my God.
I thought she was having a medical episode at first.
Where were you at when it happened?
I was headed that way.
Okay.
And saw the wrong way driver because I was in the fast lane.
Okay.
So I tried to stop her, but I in the car with me, but
Okay, yeah, of course.
she was laid back, just relaxed. I'm thinking if she passed out, is she diabetic in a coma or whatnot and everything. And I tried to U-turn to get up to her because I was going to try and like get in front of her and slow her down, but she wrecked out before I could catch back up with her. After they pulled her out, she was making statements, wanting to harm herself and whatnot.
Can you tell me what happened to make you so upset?
Yeah, so the call came him and us that she hit the Brooks Bridge and then immediately went into eastbound lanes going westbound, and she'd just been traveling the whole way through.
Well, what was the exact statement she made about she didn't care if she hurt somebody?
When I got her on the ground and she was being bad, I told her to calm down. She almost killed somebody. She was like, I don't care, it's their bad. She passed me, she was laid back. And I thought, is she just out with her eyes open or what? But laid back, not a care in the world, looked on her face like, resigned is the only way I can stay these days. So I flipped around. I was going to try and get in front of her to slow her down, like to stop her because I got the big SUV, but I couldn't get in front of her. She had already hit her by the time I caught up. I saw it when everything went crazy. When I went to go check on the old lady, because people were screaming about the old lady being in there and needing medical attention, the old lady was driving.
Yeah.
But when I cut the airbag free, I was like, that's not who I saw driving. But then they said it's her standing over there.
48.
So I looked over and she was on in the all black with her hoodie up. So then I was like, ma'am, were you driving the other car? Because I couldn't see her face that well. But when she looked up, I was like, yeah, that's definitely a driver. So she started doing the whole backing away and stuff like that. So I detained her at that point because I didn't want to run and I didn't want to pull out a weapon. How old is she?
I don't know. She
I
won't
think
tell me her
his
age.
call,
She's
she's
an
said
adult,
20.
right?
Yeah.
She's a missing adult.
Intentional traffic homicide or traffic homicide.
Just wearing my cuffs. No, hey, just leave her in there. If she's acting crazy,
She's calmed down a lot.
And you said, what was it which you asked her?
Hey, turn around for me, okay? Deja, you give me a pair of cuffs? You give me a pair of cuffs, please? Turn around for me. Hey, listen, the ambulance is about to leave, okay? Do you need medical treatment before they leave? Huh? No. Okay. All right, you can relax. Hey, appreciate you.
yeah.
Calm. You gotta do crash report?
Well, it's not a crash report, is it?
Yeah, she crashed into that car, intentionally.
And this Kia?
Yeah,
not
she
a
hit
crash.
that. She hit that one.
That's a traffic homicide.
She clearly knows what's going on in this world.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
She's in her right mind.
Yeah, she's in her right mind. She clearly knows what's going on. So, Deja, you can go ahead and take her to booking.
That's my daughter's name.
And we're charging her with aggravated battery. On that. Yep, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon.
Was there
Does she
a
have keys inside of her car?
I didn't
crash at all, or was it?
Well, no, I mean, she just drove her car into another car.
If it was an intentional act, that's criminal.
100% it was intentional. When she passed me,
Don't do a
I
traffic
thought
crash.
she was in a, no, I would not do a
No,
traffic
because
crash.
this, if I intentionally ram your car, that's a crime. That's not a traffic crash. That's not an accident. That's a deliberate and intentional act.
100%.
Otherwise, you wouldn't be charging her with agbat. You'd be charging her with, reckless driving, wrong side of divided highway, something like that. Quit messing with her. She's like, did I have to do a crash? No, you don't have to do a crash.
It's an intentional act.
She's like, oh my God, I gotta do both. I said, no, quit. Like, damn, Raph, quit messing with her. You driving her crazy.
Florida Statute, Section 784.045 requires intentional use of a deadly weapon causing great bodily harm. The statute does not classify vehicles as deadly weapons on its face. The Florida Supreme Court resolved that gap in Ford v. State in 1979, holding that a motor vehicle qualifies whenever it is used in a manner likely to cause death or serious injury. On these facts, intentional wrong-way targeting confirmed by multiple independent witnesses, victim transported to a trauma facility, both elements were satisfied at arrest. The resisting charge under Florida Statute Section 843.02 was supported by C.E.L. versus State in 2009, which established that passive physical resistance, dropping body weight, refusing to walk, satisfies the statute without any affirmative act of aggression. The initial detention by an off-duty deputy was constitutionally sound. Under Illinois v. Gates, the deputy possessed direct eyewitness evidence of an intentional vehicular assault, facts that well exceeded the probable cause threshold for arrest. The search incident to arrest required no separate warrant under United States v. Robinson in 1973. The subject's refusal to identify herself created no additional criminal exposure. Florida carries no post-arrest compulsory identification statute. As Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada established in 2004, this question turns entirely on state law. Booking as Jane Doe was the legally correct response. Physical control of the combative, handcuffed subject is analyzed under Graham v. Connor in 1989. 3 factors, severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance, all weighed toward the force applied. Proportional. Constitutionally reasonable.
I believe my daughter is involved with this.
She's in the back of that car, okay? So she's going to be arrested today, okay?
Can I talk to her?
Not right now. Hold on for a second, because she is very... Can you at least give us her name?
Anicia Giants. Can I verify that it's her at least?
Yeah, we know it's her. We know it's her. Yeah,
okay,
we know it's her.
Manic right now.
Yeah,
she's
I understand, but...
manic episode?
Yeah, she's going to be arrested today, though, because what she did was an intentional act, okay? She intentionally hit this lady right here, okay? She's going to the hospital. I don't know how well she's doing. I didn't really get to talk to her. But yeah, she is going to be arrested today.
Okay.
For, and this is your vehicle right here?
It's mine.
That's
okay,
hers.
yep.
Okay,
yep.
so we worry about the car right now. So the woman is getting taken care of, correct?
Yeah, she's going to the hospital.
Is she going to be seen, like, taken care of, like, assessed? Because she is. That's literally, I just drove from Texas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this happened like 20 minutes ago. She just took off. And so the whole point was trying to get her assessed, but you know, the fact that she's an adult, we can't force her to do that. So I just want to make sure she's taken care of, and then of course, like, do you need our information or anything like that?
Oh, we got her name because her name's on the tag, so we got her information. She's 20 years old, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, well, what's gonna happen is, like today, she's gonna be arrested, okay?
Yes.
She made all kinds of statements when we got out with her. That,
What was she saying?
well, you'll read that all in the report, okay? We're not gonna release that information right now, okay? But she made all kinds of statements that led us to believe she knows exactly what she's doing, okay? And so she's gonna be arrested for aggravated battery today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I totally understand, and we'll take care of all that.
Okay.
It'll be getting handled in court and all that. I just want to make sure, one, that woman's taken care of, and then that she gets the medical attention she needs, because she's definitely not.
So she denied, but we asked her multiple times if she needed medical treatment. She said no.
Okay, and then that's my concern is, like, is there any way you guys can take control over that and get her assessed?
Yeah, so when we get to the county jail, we fill out an intake sheet, and it says, do we think that she's a harm to herself? We'll check yes, and they'll take care of it from there.
Okay.
All right?
From that, when she gets out, I highly recommend you guys going down to Okaloosa County Courthouse and filling out an ex parte.
Can we get your her name? Because she hasn't given it to us yet.
It's Anicia Giants. ANESSIA.
Okay, all right, thanks.
The most consequential legal issue is Florida Statute Section 394.463, the Baker Act. That statute authorizes law enforcement to initiate an involuntary psychiatric examination when a person poses a danger to themselves or others due to mental illness. Critically, the operative language is "shall be taken," an affirmative obligation, not a discretionary option. 3 independent triggers were documented at scene in real time. The subject's own suicidal statements, her observable dissociative behavior, and her father's direct disclosure of an active manic episode. Officers delegated the Baker Act determination to jail intake rather than initiating the hold at scene. That pathway is legally permissible under Florida's procedural framework. It was, however, the more passive option. An on-scene initiation would have triggered immediate forensic psychiatric evaluation rather than routing the assessment through the booking queue. The gap between those two pathways is not academic. It is the difference between a mental health intervention that happens in hours versus one that happens in days. The insanity defense is governed by Florida Statute Section 775.027. Florida applies the Manhattan standard. A defendant is not criminally responsible if, at the time of the offense, a mental disease or defect rendered them unable to know what they were doing or unable to know it was wrong. Manhattan is a cognitive test, not a volitional one. The question is not whether the subject could control her behavior, it is whether she understood the nature of her act and whether she understood it was wrong. The court found, on November 15, 2024, that she did not. That finding negated criminal responsibility at its foundation. Under Florida Statute Section 9(16.155), an NGRI defendant may be committed, placed on conditional release, or discharged, depending on the risk assessment. Here the subject was placed on a conditional release program under forensic mental health supervision in Oakland County strict treatment requirements, travel restrictions, ongoing judicial monitoring. The case remains open. The outcome is legally correct. It is also a direct consequence of a psychiatric crisis that the existing voluntary intervention framework failed to catch before the collision occurred. The lead officer receives a B+. His evidence preservation commanding hands-off observation of the discarded vial before secondary contamination could occur was immediate and technically sound. His charge classification was correct. Aggravated battery, not a traffic infraction. His communication with the subject's family was legally accurate and appropriately compassionate. 2 deductions. Language directed at a visibly mentally ill subject fell below crisis intervention team standards. And 3 concurrent Baker Act triggers at scene warranted a more proactive initiation of the hold rather than delegation to the booking process. The off-duty deputy receives an A. He identified the wrong-way driver, attempted a proactive vehicle intercept before the collision, and made the decisive post-crash choice, physical detention over drawing his firearm. Against a subject in apparent psychiatric crisis, that decision, absorbing the physical risk of close contact restraint rather than escalating to lethal force, is exactly the judgment crisis. Intervention training is designed to produce. The transport officer receives an A- for proportional, controlled management of a combative subject with no documented excessive force. Anisha Jones is not graded. On November 15, 2024, a Florida court formally determined she lacked the cognitive capacity for criminal responsibility at the time of this offense. Applying a rights assertion and decision-making evaluation to that determination would be analytically inconsistent. The more useful evaluation is of the systems surrounding her and of the multiple points at which an intervention was legally available and did not occur, before a 20-year-old in an acute manic episode reached a divided highway. 3 lessons. First, the Baker Act's shall be taken language is not precatory. When suicidal statements, observable crisis behavior, and a family member's direct disclosure of an active manic episode are contemporaneously documented at a single scene, the statutory threshold under Florida Statute Section 394.463 is met. Officers hold both the authority and, on a plain reading of the statute, the obligation to act not to defer. Second, mandating insanity under Florida Statute Section 775.027 is not a technicality. It is one of the oldest safeguards in Anglo-American criminal law, a recognition that punishment requires a guilty mind and that a severe mental disease can destroy the cognitive predicate for guilt entirely. The conditional release outcome here is not a failure of the system. It is the system functioning as designed when it finally received the psychiatric record the voluntary pathway never produced. Third, intentional vehicular ramming is aggravated battery, not a traffic violation. The charge classification at scene under Ford v. State and Florida Statute Section 784.045 was correct and must not be understated. Mental state is a defense element raised post-charge. It is not a pre-charge filter that law enforcement applies at scene. The criminal framework attaches the moment a vehicle is used as an instrument of deliberate harm. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts on the case in the comments below, and check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.